here at FESPAD 2021 in Amsterdam. A world premiere. What you see here is a UV gel print factory. Not only a jumbo roll at the front, we will soon end up with a jumbo roll at the back as well. 400 kilograms of media which you have available. Whether it's poster paper, wrapping paper, wallpaper, you can choose. It's the kind of application that you run if you want to run it unattended, because that's the big thing. In between, of course, our proven UV gel technology, and you can do that with our printers. We've spoken a lot about those, you know those, you can trust those. What's the new thing? Here at the back. Fotoba has made a grand design of a rewinder, which is based on the design of the jumbo roll feeder, which enables the making of jumbo rolls at the backside as well. Unattended printing, running a weekend long, and you can print your materials on a media that you like. Afterwards you can go offline and finish those and make the applications in high volumes. This is a great thing for people in high volume production.